For my final project, I have built a travel journal application. So when I first click on this journal app icon, I will see that it attempts to do a single sign-on using Google. If single sign-on is not possible, it will show a Google sign-in button using which you can manually sign in. Otherwise, if it has been successful, it will show a toast message saying so. So we see the toast message, we know that we have been successfully signed in. On top this is the home page. On top of the home page we see a calendar. So when you click on different dates in the calendar, you will see entries, journal entries for that particular day. So by default it is set to today's date. We see below here are some entries that I've entered for today. I can click on the edit button at the right of the I can click on the edit button at the right of this entry to edit it, or I can swipe this way and delete it using the delete button. If I swipe back this way, it disappears. Let's delete this entry for now. It says that it has deleted this entry. So if I attempt to edit this particular entry, I can go to the edit page, say click on images, change the image to this, and then say, and I click save. So when we go back, we see that the text in the preview has gotten updated. If we click back edit, we see that the same old entry that we had updated gets loaded again from the database. So we can also click on the new entry button here, the blue button here at the top, at the bottom right corner, and create a new entry. So by default an image is provided for the user. If he doesn't want it, I can change it by clicking on the image or clicking on this edit button at the right hand corner. The location is fetched using the geocoder services, and weather is fetched using a web service. So I can enter a description saying test description, and I click save. It has gotten saved. When I go back to the main page, I see the new entry there. So and below the entry previews, we also see the steps walked, which get updated in real time. So for these I have used the sensors, and let's say one feature that I'd like to highlight is the countries visited feature. So based on the geocoder entries, based on the geocoder fetched data, I also record the countries visited, which I list down here. And on top it shows the count of the countries that you have visited. So when you click on the country, you will see the states that you have visited with the count of it, and then when you click on the states, you will see the cities that you have visited. So going back, another feature that that I have is the settings page. The settings page has a test ad in the bottom that has been rendered using the ad view. So since I've used the test ID from Google, it just shows a test ad there, and I can also update my name here, say from Divya D, let me update it to Divya. When I click save, it will get saved to a file, and the next time I visit the settings page, it will read this file and set the edit text to Divya. And the same name will basically be read on the main page on top here, and set the title of that page, so it is more customized to me. In addition to this, I think I forgot to show you guys the portrait orientation mode. I have done that for the entry page. So this is the portrait mode. So if I move to the landscape mode, it becomes this way. So and every time we have selected a particular date, it persists. So previously I had selected the day 9th of December before moving to the settings page, and when I came back to it, it actually had exact same date. Thank you.